Every Christmas tree deserves a show-stopping finish. The topper is the crown that completes your masterpiece, adding sparkle, height, and personality. From traditional stars to creative, modern designs, your topper can set the tone for your entire tree. Let's explore Christmas tree topper ideas that make your decor shine brighter than ever. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the most classic topper option? The shining star remains timeless. It symbolizes hope and light, and whether glittered, metallic, or wooden, it brings that perfect traditional charm. Star ready? Like this, if your topper twinkles with Christmas magic. What's a fun modern topper idea? Try geometric shapes, metallic spheres, or minimalist designs. Modern toppers offer clean lines and sleek finishes for contemporary tree styles. Modern vibe? Like this if your topper shines with chic simplicity. What if I want a whimsical look? Choose elves, Santa hats, or oversized ornaments for fun. Whimsical toppers bring joy and personality, especially for family or themed trees. Whimsy added? Like this if your topper brings smiles and laughter. What about bows as tree toppers? Large statement bows add warmth and texture. Use wired ribbon to form loops and tails, cascading down for a luxurious, flowing look. Bow tied? Like this if your topper feels soft and sophisticated. How do I secure my tree topper safely? Use zip ties, floral wire, or an adjustable topper holder. Make sure it's centered and stable so it stays perfectly in place all season long. Secure setup, like this if your topper stands tall and steady. How do I finish the overall look? Step back and check balance. Your topper should complement the lights and ornaments below. Adjust until it feels grand yet harmonious. Finishing perfect? Like this if your topper completes your masterpiece. How about using multiple picks or sprays? Bundle glitter branches, feathers, or berry sprays. Arrange them upward for height and drama, giving your tree a professional full appearance. Sprays styled? Like this if your topper feels lush and dynamic. Can I use lights in my tree topper? Yes. Choose light-up stars, LED angels, or battery-powered ornaments. Glowing toppers add an extra sparkle that beautifully catches the eye. Lights twinkling? Like this if your topper brightens the room. Can I use an angel as a tree topper? Yes, angels are elegant and meaningful. Choose one with soft fabrics or glowing lights to create a heavenly finish above your holiday tree. Angel glowing? Like this if your tree feels peaceful and divine. Can I create a rustic tree topper? Yes. Use burlap ribbons, pine cones, or wooden stars. Rustic toppers pair perfectly with farmhouse or woodland themes, adding cozy authenticity. Rustic magic? Like this if your topper feels naturally festive. Are floral tree toppers popular? Absolutely. Combine poinsettias, pine branches, or holly sprays. These natural accents create a festive, garden-inspired design full of texture and charm. Floral flair? Like this if your tree blooms with beauty. How do I choose the right tree topper style? Match your topper to your tree's theme: classic, rustic, glam, or whimsical. This ensures your finishing touch feels cohesive and beautifully intentional. Style chosen? Like this if your topper perfectly fits your holiday look. A Christmas tree topper is the final touch that brings your vision to life. Whether it's a timeless star, a handmade bow, or a modern design, the right topper adds height, sparkle, and heart. Let your creativity shine and crown your tree with joy this holiday season. Inspired by these topper ideas? Like and check back for more Christmas decorating inspiration.